Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome back to another app exposure video. Guys, today we are on the app Big Win Hunter. That is right, Big Win Hunter promises real life PayPal rewards, Google Play rewards. Who knows what else this app promises, bro. My bet just beginning here that this is a huge scam. Let's try and dissect this app together and figure out how it works, okay? So we're starting off here with some merge elements, which is interesting to me. So what does this mean? Drag the turret to attack. Okay, I'm going to drag the turret. I'm dragging it. There we go. Right. So there's in-game currency by the looks of it. You have real-life money. Okay, what's going on right now? It's just making a whole bunch of flashy lights and noises, isn't it? Okay. I guess I get to merge the turrets together. Confirm. Collect $3.06 PayPal money. So it's already throwing that PayPal money at us, bro. What's the cash out? Let me guess, $200? What? Wow. Okay. Look at this, everyone. Apparently there's a whole bunch of people that have actually redeemed on here, interesting enough. So you need to be active for 10 days. You need to come back after 10 days. And you need to try and collect $80 worth of PayPal money. You can cash out $500 as well. And you can cash out $1,000 as well. Right. Collect times 5. $100. What? Collect. So straight off the bat, they're trying to make you watch a whole bunch of ads, by the way. Just an FYI. I mean, the app itself is actually quite nice. Guys, I'm not going to lie. This could be probably one of the most convincing scam apps out there at the moment. If there is, like, legitimate... There's no reviews for this, by the way. So, I'm instantly going into these apps calling them scams, by the way, guys. Like, this is why, though. Because, look, it throws the PayPal money at you, right? But then it locks you behind a paywall to watch an ad. So that's what's really frustrating about these apps, dude. And this is why I call them scams, man. I believe this app is already too good to be true. $2.46, I have to watch an ad. No, thank you. Ad show. If this shows me an ad,
hey,
yeah.
I have to tell you about this game. You can win money. Serious money.
I want to win serious money off this. Joy Blast. Okay, sure. Serious money. I remember that. Now, this is my problem, guys. When you say no to watch an ad, and look, another prompt to watch an ad. Do you see how many ad prompts this is giving you? This is the problem here. And as I said, this could actually be a legitimately fun app. I can actually see that they've put effort into this. And as I said, it's probably one of the best looking apps I've played so far. And I've played over 124 apps on my channel within the last 2 months. So that's saying something, okay? It looks great. From what I'm seeing already, it has all the gimmicks that every single other scam app that I've played has. $2.09 now on the reward there. I mean, it's sad to me. I have so many people that really want me to show them legitimate apps, guys. But how can I show you legitimate apps, bro? There's no legitimate apps so far. It's so sad. But I will try and play the apps and show you guys the apps. But this is what you're in for here, bro. So many ads. You got ads everywhere. Apparently, we've only made 3 cents, by the way, on 293 of the in-game currency. So, as you can see, the cash outs are through the roof. Literally, like $2 is 20,000, $5 is 50,000, $10 is oh my god, really? How are you gonna get to the millions, bro? Who is gonna grind up this much on this app to get to the millions? Look at the requirements. Look at the cash out requirements. Wow. I'm just trying to merge everything together here. As I said, I mean, the app itself seems solid. Look, 67 cents now on a new turret. Nope. Show an ad anyway. It's just going to keep spitting out ads at me no matter what I say. It's pretty frustrating because you think to yourself, everyone, like, why? Why do this? I mean, why make apps that just trick people? Apparently you can win $1,000 as well. So it has legitimately every single gimmick that all these scam apps have. All the same concepts. Exact same cash outs as well, looks like here, which is interesting to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people have cashed out the $1,000 PayPal or Google Play card. And let me guess, 5 people have cashed out the 1,000 on the PayPal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 people on the PayPal as well. Interesting, the exact same amount of people have cashed out there. I mean, maybe it... no, there shouldn't be a limit because you have a look here. There's so many people on this one. Shows up to 50 users. This is meant to show up to 50 users as well, and interesting enough, it's only 5. So, that's pretty interesting. Very, very interesting, dude. So, $2 PayPal card. Shows up to 50 people. I mean, it's hard. Because there's no real-life players reviews, I have to go off my gut here. And my gut is already telling me very pretty, very distracting to the fact that more than likely this will be a scam, everyone. Because, look, again, you have to watch ads to get the PayPal. As soon as you have to go through a paywall to get anything related to PayPal, it instantly gives me a red flag, bro. So, all fishes revenue increased by 5%, watch an ad. Turret discount, watch an ad. Increased damage, watch an ad. And time revenue, watch an ad. So, I mean, what do you do? Look, watch an ad to increase the speed here for turbo. You get PayPal rewards for that as well. So, pretty much there's PayPal rewards for everything. It's just, I thoroughly believe that the rewards are going to slow down eventually. This app looks so stupid as well, by the way, just an FYI. Look at this app, man. Puzzle Roller 3D, Jesus. Anyway, besides the point, I can't imagine this being real, guys. I'm sure you guys, if you legitimately think about this carefully, think with your heart and soul here, everyone. Do you think this is going to be a real app? Like, honestly, this is exactly what we've seen in the past so many times. It's ridiculous, man. Let me just merge all these turrets together here. As I said, I've actually made an app, everyone, that is the perfect scam and no one would even know. And I've put it on my channel. Check it out, by the way, if you haven't seen the video yet, okay? This is my opinion. I thoroughly believe this is a scam. Thoroughly believe it, okay? If anyone can prove me differently, please create some videos on the cash out. And I don't want to see just one video, because it could be the developer or his friends or his family. I want to see multiple videos of people cashing out here on Big Win Hunter. And I'm pretty sure we'll be able to tell if it's fake as well. Like, if the videos are even fake and staged. Because what these developers like to do, they pay actors to actually say the app's real. Which is the biggest joke, by the way. I mean, how scummy can you actually be at that point, guys? Let's just be real. But yeah, look, this app-wise, this is the prettiest app I think I've dealt with so far. You have to watch a video to claim the sign-in bonus, which is frustrating. A lot of noises, a lot of pretty sounds just to get people hooked. So, I mean, good job, developers. You're not wrong there. You've done a pretty solid job of actually getting people to play the app. It's a pretty app. The fact that you're promising real-life money, though, and the way you're throwing the real-life money at me kind of makes me suspect it's a scam. Because we've all been through this road before, guys. If you ever have, if you ever have played one of these apps before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They throw the money at you, but then you never get the cash out. I'm not going to watch your ad. No, thank you. It's funny, because they say they'll ×5 the revenue, by the way. And you notice, right, the lowest amount of revenue, which is $2 to cash out, it's the hardest to get. It's the absolute hardest to get. It's not the PayPal money, because they can throw that at you because they have a high cash out minimum, okay? It's the actual, which is hilarious to me, it's the actual real life currency that's the hardest to get. We've only generated 6 cents in 8 hours. Can someone figure out the time and how long it would actually take for me to generate $2? Just the minimum cash out reward? I would love to see it, everyone, okay? I really would. I would love to see it. Either way, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all did enjoy. Give Big Win Hunter a try if you really want to. I mean, there's no reviews on it. Maybe one of you guys can grind to the end. I'm sure as hell not. I thoroughly believe this is a scam, and I'm going this off the experience that I've had for all the times that I've played these apps. But yeah, you guys can let me know in the comments what you think. It's too good to be true, in my opinion. Way too good to be true. And the fact that it has all the same layouts, pretty much, when it comes to people that have redeemed, it's so fishy. It is very, very fishy. No pun intended, since I'm playing a fishing game. Either way, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please hit like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next videos. Check out my channel for more. See you later.